One of the really impressive things about the leadership here is that it's very engineer-centric. David Bruson is an accomplished programmer. Our engineering leadership, they're not figureheads. They're people who have been deep in the code, who built Monetate from the ground up and have hired thereafter. And so they're very connected to the product and to the work that's being done by the engineers.
I think that one of the best things about being here at Monetate is that I've learned a lot. Everybody is really eager to teach and really eager to learn, and that's a great part of a culture to be in.
I'm always learning something new from everybody. We're all constantly learning off each other, and I just enjoy that learning process.
Everyone at Monetate really treats each other with respect. You have a lot of responsibility to solve big problems that are important to clients, but you also have freedom to work in the way that's most conducive to you and to get the job done.
I want to maybe learn something about a programming language or a database or how we do analytics.
I'm very confident and comfortable about giving feedback to other engineers too.
Every sprint I get to learn something new. Every day I come forward looking to work and solving those problems.
We try our best to make sure that developers are able to see what production looks like so they can be sure when they test and their tests succeed that everything will work in production as it does in development.
Throughout the company, developer, non-developer, we work in a pretty rapid fashion where it's not you pick up a project and you're on it for 6 months or a year and then maybe then you get to see some of the fruits of your labor. It's much more the day timeline or the week timeline.
Not only is our code being launched all the time, constantly, but we get feedback. We get constant analytical feedback.
We all have the ability to implement a solution. It's what should that solution be?
The big motivation for me as an engineer is to solve those interesting problems that has the opportunity to create a good impact.
We're in the scale of billions of page views per month, and it's something most people don't see every day.
Here at Monetate, we're always working on something new because our scale is always changing, our client needs are always changing. We always have to come up with a new type of solution to an even bigger and more interesting problem. And we're giving the flexibility here to work on that and to let our minds roam free and do what we're interested in.
With regards to initiatives I've taken or chances to make contributions, I feel like that happens every day.
I feel like I'm contributing as much as I'm learning.
It's just a very rewarding environment.
Over the past few years, personally, I've definitely become a better programmer. More than that, I've become a better engineer.
One of my overall favorite things about working here, the idea that the changes we make and the work that we do for our clients makes an immediate impact.
And it was very meaningful and impactful to be able to actually see something that I had worked on up and out in such a short amount of time.
What makes my work really satisfying is knowing that the code that I write is affecting so many people and so many clients' websites. Really, we're changing the way that people shop online.
So there's a moment in every software development life cycle where you've got almost all the pieces of the puzzle on the board and you find that last one and you put it in and you're just incredibly satisfied.
We look for passion, and by bringing people together who approach complex problems from very different perspectives. We're going to keep growing by finding people who are just as passionate as we are and are going to enjoy working on these hard problems with us.